Hello. And as you know, Carly's holding the camcorder. It's me and Sam, of course, and you got Carly holding the camcorder. Anyways, Spencer is sleeping in the iCarly studio again. And we're going to try and get him out of there and put him back in his bed. Anyways, let's get upstairs. What are you doing sleeping in Carly, Sam and I's studio? My sheets right here. They had a big bug in them. So you really had to come all the way up here to sleep just because you had a bug in your sheets? You're a crazy man. Ew, he's drooling. Carly, don't focus on that. Focus on it? Okay. No, Carly, no. Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh! Carly's hair is falling out! But she's literally recording you right now. She has her hair. It's not Sam. It's his dream. Anyways, I think we should go before he actually wakes up. Take the elevator. Go, 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 go,